Yes, we have Min from USA and
Lynn.
Lane. Okay, Min and Lane. So, say about your experience of Mahipatsi Foundation.
This is such an amazing opportunity to serve the Indian community here. You guys are doing such an amazing job.
Thank you.
Oh my God, our eyes are open, and just seeing everyone that you guys have been taking care of, from the youngest to the oldest, is it's very touching.
You are basically from?
Pennsylvania in the U.S.
Before you think about India in these situations of poor and very old age people of these conditions.
Our heart feels for them. So
Okay. Here, Wayne. Wayne, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing good.
You are from
I'm from the Pennsylvania, United
Pennsylvania,
States.
USA.
Yes,
And basically
yes.
from?
Visiting.
Okay. You are crying. When from last half an hour, I see that in your eyes. You are crying. Why?
Yeah.
Why crying?
It's really touch our hearts. It's sad to see all of this, but it's good that we're seeing that they are being taken care of. So if we could be of any help, we would definitely help you guys out.
So, man, thank you. Thank you so much for support us. And whenever you come India, please visit our places.
Definitely.
I will
Definitely. We
waiting
already-
for you, Min, and
Yeah. So Min and I, we definitely gonna plan to come back to visit. Okay?
thanks for coming. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Yes. આપણે તો ગુજરાતી બોલવાનું છે
ગુજરાતીમાં બોલવાનું.
આપણને અંગ્રેજી સમજણ પડે નહીં તમને ભલે પડે મને નહીં પડતી
મને પડે એક વાર ને
કેવું રહ્યું ભાઈ
બસ સારું રહ્યું જોઈને દુઃખ થયો પણ તમે બહુ સારું કામ કરો છો
તમારા બધાનો ખૂબ પ્રેમ ને ખૂબ સહકાર છે સો આ રીઝનથી આ સક્સેસ થઈ રહ્યા
તમારા
છે
જેવા લોકો ચાલે ને
થેન્ક યુ ભાઈ તમે મીનને એને લઈને આવ્યા અને
Of course,
સહકાર
of course.
આપ્યો
એમને જોવું હતું
બિલકુલ થેન્ક યુ
થેન્ક યુ